is Bitcoin Technical Analysis. Today on this video, I want to be going over three coins. I'm going to be going over Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Link. So let's get started. So starting off with Bitcoin on the daily time frame, we do have these key SR levels that I have drawn out here. We have this SR level at around 30K. We have this next SR level that we just broke through around the 38K region. These SR levels are very key. Obviously, we have multiple touches going back, and our next major SR level will be this around the 52K region. Obviously, you could play this range, obviously, with this range, and then play this range. So that's definitely something to look forward to. Obviously, higher time frame, I've been saying it in most of my videos. We have this higher time frame range, and a 60K Bitcoin is very, very reasonable within the next, I would say, within this year. So zooming in into the time frame with Bitcoin, Bitcoin is looking very healthy right now. We just broke out of major key trend lines, obviously this one. So what's next for Bitcoin, and what is my next trade setup? So I am not in any positions as of right now. If we go over to the 4-hour time frame, I am waiting till we get some type of structure. Obviously, putting in a long position, the risk is up because there hasn't really been a major pullback, and I am planning to get in on that major pullback. So I am going to wait a little. I am going to wait a little bit. Obviously, this is almost vertical. This is not PA that you want to be trading, at least for me. So levels I'm watching, obviously, we have this range that we are just coming up against. So obviously there's going to be a lot of resistance there. There's going to be heavy reaction, and we could see a throwback. That's definitely in the cards. Personally, I am going to wait. If I zoom in a little bit, I have these trend lines drawn here when we were consolidating here, and I drew them out, and I am waiting for some type of pullback into them, and that's when I will be comfortable to long Bitcoin. Obviously, with this aggressive push, we can continue to push higher. I also want to take out this this little indicator that shows the volume on each level, and if I extend it here, obviously we have the point of control, and we have this area where it's almost a void along with this area, as you can see, and it was in these areas where we just pushed up. So that's definitely something to keep in mind. So that is all. That is my TA for Bitcoin. Like I said, I am going to wait for some type of consolidation, maybe a pullback into these trend lines, and then that's when I will be comfortable longing Bitcoin. As of now, I'm on the sidelines and just waiting for price action to develop. Going over to Ethereum. Ethereum seems to be lagging behind Bitcoin just by a fraction. Obviously, we did just break out of this major trend line. Let me go over to the daily time frame. I think Ethereum looks very good in my position to long. I think I will long Ethereum before I long Bitcoin, because once we get this daily close in about 2 hours and 50 minutes, And if we get a daily close above this trend line, then to me that's a great long opportunity. So I will be longing Ethereum if we do get a daily close above this trend line and it looks like we will. So yeah, in about 2 hours, if we get that daily close, I will be longing Ethereum. So going over to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we did break out of this consolidation, and as you can see, we are on the 4-hour time frame. It looks like we are going in for a retest of these trend lines. So Ethereum looks very good. I think we can see some more up movement in the next couple of days. Now onto Link. Again, with Link breaking key trend lines here, we're about to get on the daily. It looks like the Link is going to also be closing above this temporary trend line. So let me just delete this. Obviously, Link looks good too. If I pull this this fixed range volume, obviously there's a huge gap right here, a void where price will tend to come back and fill it. So I would keep an eye out for that on Link. Now going over to the 4-hour time frame, where do I want to get long on Link? Obviously, I want a retest of this trend line is very healthy, and it looks like we got it with this candle. So Link looks good to long as well. Obviously, we have this inverse head and shoulders, and the technical target about $20 with 50 cents. So that's definitely a good risk to reward. Well, that is all I have for you guys all across the board. I mean, things look good. We are in an uptrend. Dips are for buying in an uptrend. So that's it. And I will see you guys in the next video.